It's another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound.
Okay, I think we are ready. I'm just fixing the last things as usual, and we may start. Hello, oh, a lot of people. Gal, Red Eye, Ashley, hello everyone, and Ficon, hello. Let's see if everything is okie dokie, but I think we may start. Hello Kodiak! Bienvenue Power Bottoms! Ok Kodiak. Hello Fabi. Marco. I'm freaking angry. Oh, you have to wait just for 20 pieces. Only. Can't you start building without them? In the meanwhile, I'm fixing, as I said before, the last few things here and there, but I think we may start. Dart, I'm planning to build your recusant class. I'm trying to remember if someone else built it. I think yes. Sadly not. So they are 20 pieces, very important. Dark grey plates needed for the structure. Damn, for just 20 pieces you can't build it. I'm sorry, Fabi. But they will arrive, yes? When? When is accepted to arrive the package? What time is in Italy? In Italy is 6:30 PM or 18:33. I want to buy your black oak, but I don't want to buy every single brick edge. What I can do? I understand, Ficon. So, you don't want to buy every single brick each. Well, if you check on the Rebrickable website, usually there is the link to get most of the parts. Now I don't know the percentage. Sometimes it is 70, 80, 90. Then the last parts, yes, you have to buy them. Unfortunately, I don't know another way. I ordered from Germany. It was shipped 10 days ago now. Well, from Germany to you are in UK, right, Fabi? I remember well. You are in UK. Is there no pack on brick link? Unfortunately, not. It's 12:34 in Malaysia. Oh, Raziel, I didn't know you were Malaysian. I am in Germany. Oh, okay. Well, I guess something went wrong somewhere. Can't you contact your the shop to ask where is my package? In the meanwhile, I'll start building. I know I wanted to build something new, but I didn't have time to finish this one. So today we will continue and finish this project. So in the next live on Thursday, or maybe tomorrow, maybe even tomorrow, not sure, we finish it. We start a new project. So today we will finish this one. All the post says the package arrived at our post office on October 5th. So almost 10 days, 1 week ago. Weird. Did you go to the post office and ask, hey, do you have a package for me? Angry. So it's the best to buy every single part on Bricklink? Mostly yep. Mostly yep. As I said, on Rebrickable usually there is in the parts section. Yes, you can buy most of them in a single package, but the last one is better to find them one by one, I think. Hello GM Sniper! So maybe your father took the package because he wanted to build the aircraft itself. Have to eat. Okay, have a nice dinner, lunch. Don't know what time is it in your country. In the meanwhile, we have to make the panel to separate the engine section to the driver section here. So I think we may start from here. Let's check with inclinations and then we continue. Don't write so much because I have to concentrate as well here. I try to answer all the questions and everything, but we have also to build something, so keep it in mind. Okay, you can't go this way, but what if we place this one here or here, 1 and 2? Maybe this way, or maybe we can change to this. Pum 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 pum. 1 and 2. Nope. Nope. Let's check with the last option. It may be this one. Too much. I guess we have a winner. Okay, so let's check. Hello, I can't read your name, I'm sorry. Jason Hill. For me, you are Hill. It's easier. Sorry. Hello, Red Eye on the purple social network, on the purple Lamborghini. Can't blame him. The aircraft looks dope. But I blame him because he didn't share the photos with us, because I want to check the final project finished. So I'm sorry, Dad, but we have a problem. So if he shares the photos, I can forgive him. 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess should be enough, because here we will build all the controls. Oh yes, we need a driver. The driver, we need a steering wheel. Let's check. I think we can find it in the minifig. No, wait. In the vehicle and accessories. I guess. Do you guess? Tire entry, the wheel, tire assembly, riding cycle, windscreen, vehicle. I guess. Okay, we have the steering, the big one, but actually I would like to use this. There should be also a smaller one. Nope, you are not the one I'm searching for. Is this the same? Yes, no, there should be a smaller one. I think is... Okay, no, maybe I think this is the smaller one. I guess this is the only one. So, can this one fit inside our micro vehicle? Because it's very small, right? Where is it? Hey, where is... Sorry.
Cosa c'è di meglio che avere milioni di canzoni a portata?
Bum 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 bum. So place it more or less here, and then we have to check if it can fit inside. I think yes. Let's check. Now the easiest way to connect it. How can I make a pizza with Lego? A pizza with Lego, you can use round plates, round. Actually, there is the pizza. Ha! We have a pizza. Faster. How we have a pizza here? Actually, sometimes we have to try making a pizza with Lego. Just real size pizza. Actually, we also have plate tile around. Pizza! Brown more. We have also another kind of pizza. However, let's start adding this one. We need a modified plate for sure. Yep, this one. Come on. And I will probably add some plate one by one. Then I think hinge. Some hinges. Yep, one. Come on. Let's check if it can fit inside. Mumble. First, hide for a second. Too much. Hide for a second the roof. I have to check the inside. Alright, I forgot we have this one in a different position. Well, actually it's not a big deal, because we can simply connect this one here. And here we can add something else. You can go a little more inclined upwards. This way should be enough. No, it's not enough. A little more. Hide. I read your comments very soon, just wait a second more. Okay. Sure. Is it touching? Yes. Oh, always the same problem. But if we remove this one, of course it works, but I don't want to remove it. Unless... You're welcome, Marco. So many comments. Hello, Star Wars expert. It's been a while. So many comments. Wait a second. I'm hoping to build your F-35 and Eurofighter at some point down the line. The Eurofighter, you can even see how it looks like finished on Rebrickball. There are photos uploaded by someone who bought the file and built it. You can already find it. While for the F-35, in this moment Fabi is building it, so he will share the photos with us very soon when he's finished. Finally, after all these years, we finally found it, Lego pizza. Yes. Hey man. We want edible plastic Lego bricks. Okay. Interesting idea. Nice song in the background. You can find the playlist on my... You can actually find me on Spotify. Just search for that designer. They are all public, my playlist. So you can find the playlist and have the same songs. I'm probably going to make your new A10. You will be the first one, because many people built the A10, but the previous version. I think the new one, maybe you are the only one. You will be the first one. So interesting. We want Lego pizza. Yes! Edible Lego pizza. So let's think now for a second what we do have here. If we move this one in the other position, can we fit everything together? Let's see. Are we lucky enough? Dying sometimes. I suppose actually it fits perfectly this way. Even if we are really close, we actually do not care, because when you have to place the minifigure inside, you can open the roof, turn up the steering wheel, fit the minifigure and close everything. So we can do it. We may go with that. The only thing I would like to change is this one on the other side. And if you are thinking why, well, actually I don't know. I don't know either. No, actually it's good on this side. Here we can add some details like a tile, the one with a tile with the there was one with something that similar to the speed indicator. Actually this one is more for temperature, but who cares? It seems something for speed. We can live with that. Then here I think we can add maybe a lever. We can add this one. Let's see if it can fit. Something this way. Actually this one can be rotated a little. Perfect. And also this one can be moved a little upwards. Okay, to me it's more than enough. I can live with that. I'm excited for the 1 to 1.17 update. The 1.17 what? I lost something. The update of what? Message. Okay, for Minecraft. I don't play Minecraft anymore because it's too heavy to play. It's too heavy video game. I need a new computer only to play Minecraft. Come on. Too much. Too much. Too much.
Sono Alessio, amo la musica e su subito ho comprato una batteria. L'ho sempre voluta.
Now, what else we have to do is closing here. Now, 1, 2. No, actually, maybe we can close here in this position everything. So we just go with plates or bricks. I think slope. Neither brick or let's see, if we place this one here, height, I think is okie dokie. Actually, we can even add a simple brick. If sometimes you notice there is no music, it's because of Spotify adverts. So I just mute the songs for adverts. Is it touching? Very close. I would like to avoid this problem, so we can just use slopes as we mentioned before, and actually we can even use this one, I guess, is better for structure integrity. I think we have to change color, so every time I can hide just the roof. However, you can go here. This one is connected to everything. Where? Ah, okay, here. Let's see again. Okay, so we can hide the roof only. Now, what we have to do is close this section. But I would like to keep these. Let's check first. This is the engine. We have to place the engine inside. Let's see how. Pum pum pum. As I thought, we have just a little problem here because it's too long. Or we place this one a little more on the back, or we search for panels. Did you know that in the last update Studio removed the part from the collection? Yes. And actually I think you can still find them in Retired and Miscellaneous. You can find them here, because are parts retired from Lego that you can still find, but they are usually much expensive. They should be here. they should be here. Now I don't know where exactly, but the part you are talking about, they should be in this section. Can't be 100% sure, but I'm confident you can find them in that section. Panels. Panels. Where are panels? Vehicle, base plate. I think I moved them too many. I would like, unfortunately you can't change the disposition of the menu like Photoshop or Adobe, because I would like to extend this one more, and maybe this one, maybe, okay, this one you can make it larger. Maybe make the step list smaller. I don't know, it would be interesting to move all the section as you wish. Panel. Found it. I think is this one. Absolutely no. Too long. So it's this one. Let's check again. If we place this one here and we go with collision, the only thing colliding is the wheel here. That is colliding in this position. No, I think it's colliding somewhere else. Can we fix it? No, it's colliding with this one. So it should be placed a little bit higher. Actually, also here. Okay, it's not colliding, but it's a very close call. Let's see what we can do here for the engine. What if actually we can place it higher and solve this problem can be solved quite easily. Okay, and here the problem is solved. Now of course we can place 1 and 2 higher as well. This is a 1x6, can be a 2x6. Actually would be even better to place the whole thing lower. 1, 2. Of course we have again the same problem here, but maybe we can try to solve it another
Quello che
way.
sentite è il ragù Barilla. Come lo facciamo noi?
Because this way.
Vorremmo raccontarvi del gusto corposo delle migliori
Sorry
carni
for the
d'allevamento.
commercial, I forgot to remove the music. Hey Gallo, how are you? Nathan! Oh, I didn't notice. Hello Nathan. Welcome back to the live. Welcome back to the live. No, actually, I think we can go back this way. Just here is a very close call. I'm not sure. Let's solve. Maybe we can. One, two. Yes, of course here is it touching. Interesting that they still didn't fix the problem. When you move something with clicking here and moving with the arrows, if you click undo, it doesn't work still. So the undo do not recognize the movement made this way. So you can't undo movements made with the arrows. So this kind of movements can't be undone. You have to move them again by yourself. A bit disappointing actually. However, the collision doesn't give us problems, so it may work, even if it's a very close call. But I think we have to live with that. So show all again. Oh, where is touching now? What's happening in this position? Wait, why this is one? Okay, they moved as well. I don't know why. 1, 2, and 3. Come back to your position. That should be this one. Okay, so now it should work, but the program got crazy. Yeah, I hate when this happens. Another bug. You have only to delete the parts this way. Okay, problem solved. Problem solved. We are safe, working and sound. Now, what about here? I think copy and mirror this one. Go back here. Perfect. Almost perfect actually. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now it's perfect. Now let's check what's happening here. Why you give me error in this point? 2 by 8. Retry again. Sure. Okay, no, try this one. Plate 2 by 8. What did I miss? Did you miss almost anything? We are still completing. We are still completing the Stryker. Blah 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 blah. Plate 2 by 8. Let's see, collision. No problems. So it just went crazy for a moment. Okay, so here we have the engine. What we have to do now is to connect the engine to everything. So hide a second. How we can connect the engine? I have more than one idea. I would like to make the engine, because actually you can see the engine when you open, but you cannot remove it. So we can, this is 4 and 2 is a 6. Okay, we can go with a plate here, 2 by 6. Perfect. Then we can go with a 3 by 3 plate. Yes, this one. Come on. Perfect. And then I think we can add a simple tile 2 by 4 here. Show. Perfect. So the engine is connected only here, so it should not be difficult to remove if you want from the rest of the section. Now, what else we have to do? Okay, actually this one can be opened only a little. You cannot open completely. So if we want to find a way to open it completely, we have to make this part removable. So you can do this up until here, more or less. And for the inside we can, let's check. First remove the roof. Here we can tile. Can we add a tile here? No, collision. So here it needs to stay empty. What we can do, 1, 2, we can add slope. A slope here. Perfect. Then we can add a brick here. And then plates. 1 here. 1 here. And 1. Okay. And this one will stay this way. And we have our separation. What about the engine? For the engine we can actually this one. No, it's a big one. I don't know if the smaller one works as well, but if I brick, let's check. I'm not sure, but if we connect this one here, are they on the same level? Yes, they are. So muy bueno, and we do the same here as well. What about this one? We can add a simple brick here because just because we can, and another one of this, a slope 2x3. Just for the structure. So show. Now, where they are connected? Right here. Even if they are not connected here, it doesn't matter. Did you guys watch the Rise of Skywalker? Still not. I still didn't watch it. What happened here? Always the same problem. Copy mirror, please. Perfect. Now let's close. Actually, collision. Activate. Okay. Okay, I think this section is complete. And we can continue with, actually, let's see. This one I think it's complete as well. This one will close this way, more or less, but here I do not want this one. I do not want this one. Let's search for details. We had the image. Stryker APC front.
Sono Luca, amo la musica e subito ho comprato una console per DJ.
I like the Battle of Genosis. Me too. From the second movie. Well, actually is the fifth movie chronologically. Pam 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 pam. Okay, here we have an antenna. What was your favorite Star Wars movie? If you can choose also the side stories, Rogue One. I really liked Rogue One. Very well made.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have
Otherwise, the Clone Wars. I think the Clone Wars is the best Star Wars period. I don't know. I liked more. Maybe also because of the CGI web series. Well, actually it was not web series. I think it was a TV series, but maybe here we can use another kind of tile. No, it's not a tile. Maybe plate. I hate when you cannot know. Plate modified. Yes, this one. Oh, very close call. Probably will not work. So this one is the big one. This one is the small one. We have a 3 one. We have a 4 one. A 2 one. Let's think about it. What if plate modified? If we add this one here, is very close as well. So maybe what we can do is 1x4 tile, 1x1. Here, what is it? No. 1x1, and then here we can add our lever and we use it as antenna. No, maybe it's too low. Yes, this one seems higher, so we can use, I don't know if we can use this one as antenna, or maybe we can use, no, for now let's go with this one. Plate antenna. Then what we do have here, we have this we are here, this one it's here as well. Mirrors on the sides, we can add them, we want to add them later, the mirrors maybe, because we can add them here, or maybe we can add them somewhere else. Here we have this one as detail, we have this one, we have this one. Here we have something else. Okay, we already have it. Actually, in plate wedge. In plate wedge, we should have something. Yes, this one. it looks like just, well, more or less this one, or not, maybe. It's difficult to find this part. What color we do have it? Reddish brown or light bluish gray? But maybe it's a bit too difficult to find, so you don't like Yan Solo. Ooh. Why you don't like? Okay, Yan Solo character, well, Rogue One is my second favorite. I really liked Rogue One.
Underestimating what we would become. And now an escape is impossible. You're as innocent as gone. 'Cause if you're falling for me, just be one.
Solo was a good one. Yes, also Solo was interesting, but Rogue One for me is the best side story. Because it's really well made and connects everything together, giving explanation also about why the Death Star, the best, the best weapon of the Empire, can be destroyed with a single hit in the right place. It was really a stupid idea. So I don't want to give spoilers, but you can understand why with the Rogue One, why that happened. So yes, Rogue One is I think the best. Solo is interesting. It says it gives explanation about other parts of the story, about the Millennium Falcon and all. So it's interesting as well, but not so important as Rogue One. To me. I can be wrong, of course. It's just my little opinion. Where are tiles? Ah, I'm going crazy. When I can't find the things.
UK nationals, it's time to take action. If you're settled in Italy, you need to register for residency.
Come back here. Here we have an antenna. Higher antenna. Now, how we can connect the antenna, because it needs to be higher than the other one. I think we can just connect it from here. Okay, I think it's time to close this section. Let's try with simple plates. Let's see. Okay, I think here we can use something. Maybe we have the right place also if it's longer, but we may fix it. Is a slope wedge. Nope, it's not this one, right? No, it's not this one. Okay, maybe it's this one. Of course, this one needs to connect directly here, and of course this one will go here. What if we do this? No. It's a big no. What if we use something this way? Still a no, and no, and no. This one for now is the best solution. And what if we add other kind of slopes next to it, like this one? Yep, this one seems to be the best solution. Hide for a second. Yep. Unless, if we remove this one and we move this way, or what if we have to try? What if we use other kind of slopes? Even this kind, actually. And it's a big no. Well, actually, here, yes. What if... Where is the opposite of this one? Where are you? Why they are in different places? Okay, here. What if we add this one here? Okay, I like it. Then we continue with the same system adopted before, or maybe even this one, higher 1 and 2, and copy and mirror. Come on, where is it? Copy and mirror. And here even 1 and 2 higher. This one is a no-no, but until here is almost okie dokie. And what about here? What about here? Good question. The answer may be brick modified. Maybe brick modified and copy this one. Don't like it. Here. Wow, so many comments. What if there was a Death Star for laser tag? Interesting. Gal, imagine if Death Star was real and come to destroy the Earth. Actually, there is a big problem with the Death Star. To have enough energy to make a planet explode, it's really a lot of energy. But a lot of energy. You need the same power of... I don't want to say a little star, but something similar. So how can you make... how you can generate this kind of energy without destroying the Death Star itself? Of course, we are in a fantasy movie, so it's like magic. You don't have to explain it, but who need X-Wing and a small hole when you have nuclear weapons? I don't know if the energy shield can deflect nuclear weapons. How do you separate the different parts into a different color? Is there a pattern? No, just randomly. When I can't clearly see something, I just change color, and it's actually random. I just choose another color. For example, now I'm building in pink here. Later maybe I can choose blue or another color, and at the end I change all the colors. How to explain how the Death Star works in one sentence? A space wizard did it. Agree. There is no pattern, just randomly made. So let's go back here, plate here to hide. Perfect. Another 2 can go here, or maybe even the big one, and here maybe we can just go this way and close here, so maybe not the 2 but the 3 1. No, the 3 can't go here because it collides. And how we can hide maybe, and I say maybe, we can use the big slope. No, because I think it's colliding here. Yes, there is a collision here. I can't find a clear way to make it. Come back with the previous method. Let's go back and try again with this one. Here. Then, of course we have to remove this one. Then, what if we try using this but opposite way? No, doesn't work. I think the previous way was the best one. Wedge plate. The only thing we may change is adding one here, maybe one here. No. No, I think the first choice was the best one. Or a mix of them, so we can choose this one here for the first one, and then we go with plate wedge. One. Okay, maybe we are close to the final. Something this way. Yeah. Let's try again the previous one. Two by 3. No, I think this one is still the best. Maybe... No, I still think this one is the best. Okay, we can keep with this one. So we just copy the same on the other side. Inside here. 1, 2, and 3. Copy and mirror. Other side. Close. Okay, so the front is almost finished. Now we can go with the sides. You go here, you go here. For the sides, I choose to use these parts, but actually we have also some details to add here and here. So it's not completely sloped. this side. So I was thinking to add something like this, maybe one here, another one, I don't know, here, but for this section that is more or less until the, well, up here more or less, maybe just a little less, something like Technic bricks. So Technic bricks. Also these are cool because they have this section, but I don't know if you can find them easy. They are only in black and dark bluish gray. Are parts maybe a little more difficult to find, so I don't know if we have to keep them or not. Well, for now, the general idea was, is it too much? Actually, it should be more on the back and longer. So something this way should be long enough, maybe even longer. Here we need the half one, so find alternatives. Of course it's not an alternative. I hate when something like this happens. Okay, so maybe from here should be enough. This one should go higher. No, actually a little bit lower. 1, 2, something this way. And outside this way, I think, yes. So, how we can use it? Can we place this one under it without problem? I think so. Or where can we use tiles? No, tiles, slopes. This kind, for example. Can we place it underneath without problems? No. If we place it a little above, yes. So now we have to check the height. Maybe it should be this one. Let's try with this first. And 2x4. Actually, there is also the 2x8. 2x8. 2x3. No, we can just use 2x2 and another one of these here. Then on the back, how we connect these to these? Simple, we add another one.
Quello che sentite
And
è il
we
mio
can
raggruppare.
connect.
Come lo facciamo?
We can connect with, even if, wait a second, what if we use this? What if we use this? They looks cooler, don't you think? Of course they will be probably more expensive, but they look much better. Because like this we can even use...
Sono Paolo, il coinquilino di Luca, e anch'io amo la musica. Per questo ho messo in vendita su subito la console che aveva appena comprato. Ami la musica?
We can even use... I don't know... What do you think about this part? I think it looks cooler, but probably is also more difficult to find and buy. Gotta go, I'll be back. Okay, see you later, Red Eye. Bravo! I'm building the BTR 80. Ooh! Very interesting. I can't wait to see it finished. Play Free Fire, please, bro. Free Fire is a video game, I guess. Don't know it. Very good, Marco. I think we can For now, go with the original path. I don't remember when live had... Sad reality. Well, I'm glad they are sometimes more than usual. I don't know what part to use. This one is for sure easier. This one looks better. For now we go with this one and see what happens. Let's go with pin. We can use... Well, actually it's the same. It's not important which one we use. We can just use one here, one in the middle. It's not so important. Or actually we can just close all the holes so they look smaller holes. And we have to do the same on the other side as well. Or on the other side we want to add this, for example, you know, to make it different. If we want to add them on the other side, I think they should be on this model as well. We have these backpacks. And we can add them, maybe. What happened? No, do not delete things you don't have to delete, but delete the things you have. Remove everything up until here. Maybe you can go here, you can go here. Actually the backpack here are even more on the back side. You can go here. How many? Well, still up until here more or less. Yes. Let's see, what about them? We can connect them. We can connect them. Let's go with simple bricks for now. Let's see what happens. It's absolutely too high. Go with tiles. Well, no, plate. 1 by 12. 1 by 10. 10 is the right answer. Go upper. If we place this one here, well, here, it touches. If we place this one a bit higher, still touches. So it should go more on the outside, like actually the real one. What if we place directly now? In this case, what we can do is what we can do here is you have to go this position, you have to go this position, you can go lower this way. Something this way. Here they are quite bigger. Let's see what we can do. Let's go with slope. If we go with slope this way, or if we go with the other one this way, they both work. Okay, and this is already something. If we go lower, and the general idea is to make okay, the general idea is something this way. So remove this one, go up. Something this way. But how make it work? This one should be even lower.
Kinder con 12 giochi all'interno e giocarono tutti felici.
This one will go lower this way. Or this way. Okay. If we do this, we have to connect this one here. Where do we connect this one? We do not have other kind of backpack. No, they all use the same system. So we have to find a better way to connect. Nuke Cola. You only. It's just a question mark, but I don't know the question. Bravo Mo. Can't wait to see the BTR finished. However, the live will last not so longer. Probably something like 20 minutes more or less. Then I gotta go. And before that I would like to finish this section. How we can add these stupid things. Something like 5 backpack. Give me plates. 1 by, I don't know. Actually 2 by, I don't know. Is the right number. 2 by, I don't know. Because they have to go this way. Remove this one for now. These can go here. These can go here. Okay. Actually, even this way. And it will be almost good if only I could place. Oh, actually I can place them because we have one space here, so we have 1 and 1. I think I found the solution. It works. What do you think? Actually, we can do even another one of these. No, we can't. Because even if we had another one here, just go back. I don't know how to place, to cover. Even if I find, let's see. Of course, I just want to make things more complicated when it's not needed, but you know me. 2 by 8. And what the other side? What about the other side? That actually is even the most important, because here we have an empty space. The only thing is to remove this one copy and mirror, make it longer. Of course, in this case, you have to go here. The baseline is 8, 10, 11, 12. Need a 12 one. And yep, something this way may work. Slope. Slope. Ropsicopath. Okay, I don't care. It's just a spam. Looking very nice dart. Thank you, Ashley. Okay, something this way, but I do not like this section here. In this case, it's not a problem because actually it's just like the real one. The real one has, well, actually also here they are backpacks, but you have this section and here is empty. So more or less, of course the inclination is a bit different, but more or less it's just like the real one. On the other side, well, actually it's the same here. I don't know. I just want to find another way. Wait a second. 1 and 2 go here. Boom. Go here. What? Just trying. What if we use hinge? What about hinges? What if we use this? What happens if we use not this one? Well, this one is already not this one, the bigger one. What if we use this other one for the sides? I think the only problem we may have.
Vieni a provare una nuova modalità di ascolto su Premium.
This one will be
Puoi
better
ascoltare la musica senza
the
alcuna interruzione,
other
su
way.
casse o TV. Configurarlo è semplice. Collegati a qualsiasi dispositivo compatibile e
Yes,
goditi la musica
something
senza
like this way
interruzioni.
would be
Puoi riprodurre brani
better.
on demand quando vuoi,
1,
anche su
2.
mobile. Effettua
One.
l'upgrade e passa a Premium.
Come on.
Tocca il bagno
Why you
per
stop
saperne
it?
di più.
One, two, okay. Something this way, yep, would be better. The only problem is what about the roof? Because yes, we can close it, but I want to make the roof more stable. Well, actually we do not need so many of them. Because if we make this one this way, what about the holes? No, I think we are just complicating our life. This one, for this side, is bueno. But there is something I think we may trick and make it better. What? Let's try again. Still these two. Find the compatible bricks. A little bit lower. and we make our inclination. No, they should be much lower to get the inclination we want. Okay, I tried. On the other side, well, we do have more or less the same thing, but with backpacks. And here, this one is a 2x12. We need plates, 1x12 and 1x12. Okay, we have the same height, so we can connect. Actually, if we remove this one and we connect this one on a different way, for example, we just need one here, one here, then Technic brick, one here, one here, then plates, 6, one here, one here. We can connect at least 6x8 should be. Change color because I can't see. Wait, actually we can start before closing the roof, colorizing and closing everything else. 6x8. Yes, and we can starting closing the roof this way. Okay, I think we can start colorizing the inside. I wonder where Kodiak is. I think Kodiak is working or driving, but I suppose it's here. So now he will listen the name and appear. Ma un missile Sam che sarebbe? I missili Sam sono... Sam sta per Surface to Air Missile, quindi missile da terra ad aria per abbattere gli aerei. Surface to Air Missile, quindi missile da superficie ad aria. Something this way. Kodiak, as I said, heard my name, what's up? I was sure that as soon as you name Kodiak, he appears like magic. Let's see, what about the inside, before closing the roof? And actually also finishing these sides. Here, what do we do have? Here we do have plate by 4 this way. Then this one is connected to anything, right? Right. So I think we can... This one is a 2x6. Okay, remove for a second here everything. It's time to complete the inside here. So go away, go away. Here, this one is connected to anything as well. You? It's a 2x4. Okay. So from here we have 2, 4, actually
Quello che
6.
sentite è il ragù Barilla. Come lo facciamo?
6. So we can change the 2x6 with a 4x6. Collision here. Why? Why this one is colliding? Okay, there was one more. Okay. Now, tile. 1x3 here. Show all. Collision. Okay, perfect. Then we can use a 1x1 here. No, wait. Sure. Pom pom. Remove for a second. Here, this one is 2x10. Okay, it's for structural purpose, so I don't want to move it. This one are okay. You can go here. We can add another one here. Here we have to close. So, remove for a second. We need a 2x4. Wait. We will use a lot of these. 1 and 2 here. Here we have to close. It's necessarily. We can close with this. Why not? Panels. Let's go with panels. Panels, plate. So many plate. We need panels. Panels. We can go with this one. Are you the one? The chosen one? We can go with this one. Yes, with this one here, because this is where people sits, so you have more space for the arms. Then here we can use simple bricks to close. Maybe here we can add some details later. And in this case I would like to add a different kind of plate here. You can go here. Then a 1x2 here, or actually a 2x3 here. Then 1x1 here, because here we have this one to close. Actually, you know what? Here we can actually do this. Yes, we can. Then we can add another one here and connect all the thing together. So here we need a 3x4 that do not exist. So we can use a 1x4. 2x4, sorry. 1x4. Okay. Now we have to close everything together. Here, the best idea would be to use a 2x10. 8. This way. But I would like, here we have something, if I remember well. Yes, we have more details. For now we can keep it this way. And check what we can change. We have a lift deck trailer. Ooh, fun to use. As I said, in a few moments the live will finish. So here we have the space for the engine. This one can be can be changed with the other one, because it's where people sit. Here is okay. Here we can add a 1x1 plate, just for structure. Oh wait, no, we do not need to add anything. This one is just perfect this way. The only need that we have to change is this one. And here we can add a 2x3, and just here we need a 1x1 plate. Plate, tile, 1x1. Okie dokie. What about here? Well, here we can completely close with tiles. We can use a 2x4. Here there is a 1x1 part, so 1x4 as well. And then yes, 1x1. One here, one here. Or not 1x3, 1x1 and 1x1, but well, it's the same, it's not so important actually. Well, actually no, it is important, because if we do this, here we can use just 1x6. Perfect. Here we can do the same as we did here. Perfect. And also in this position we can do the same. This one will go here. This one will go here. You go away, you copy here, and you actually here we can add a 2x2. Yes, we can add a 2x2. Boom. And the inside of the Stryker is finished. Now, alright, yes, you are right. Here, actually, for the roof, we can remove one, we can remove two, and we can add a 6x6 plate, 6x6. What happens with a 6x6? Or maybe even more, we can add a 6x8.
Every time we say
6x8.
they all see that it's a lie.
6x8.
One last try.
Okay.
You've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will,
I think it may work. Now, to check the inside, if you want to make this one easier to remove,
I just wanna be happy.
maybe, so you can open everything from here, maybe. So not 1x6, but maybe we can use actually everything is connected also here on the top. So if everything is connected also somewhere else,
Can't be waiting for you in the morning.
this one maybe we can just add a tile, 1x6, this way, because it's already connected to the other side. And maybe even this one, the 1x12, can be 1x6. 1, 2, 1, 2, and plates. 1x3 here, 1x3 here. Now, so this one is not connected to anything, but will be connected with the upper parts. And here as well, 1x3, 1x3. Well, actually, this one can be a 3x3. Oh no, wait, here we have to remember about hatches. We have hatches on the back. Here we have two hatches to add. So what about the hatches? We can make them... it's a 2x6. If we add one here and one here, they connect... I'm thinking... plate modified of using... this. So, one... wait, add one here for a second. So you go here, then we can add this one. Boom. Tile 2x2, plate 1x1, and we can add this one. No, it's too much, so it's a no. Well, what if we place them on the other side? No. Plate modified. We use another system. Very soon I have to go. I know I told you already few times, but this is the last time. I really have to go. So something this way. They should be more or less here. Yes. So what about the other side? This is something we forgot. We have to find a way to connect it also on the other side. So we have to fix something. For now, remove this one. Remove everything. We have to add this one first. Copy and mirror. Other side. Okay, now everything else needs to be fixed according to this one. So the first thing we need is this one. Come on. Okay. We need this one. We can't go without it. You have to go here. You can be removed. This one is a 2x4. Here we need a 2x3. Slope 2x3. You. Okay. What we can do now is connecting this one. Maybe we can connect it somewhere else. Maybe here, or actually also here. You can go here. It's okay, so we have connected this one. Here in the middle we can go with the usual 1, 2 and a tile. Boom. No, too high. Lower. Okay, so this one will connect on the other side this way. While here, what else? Why do you want to update now? Go away. Go away. Go away, fucking advert. No, it's Adobe. Oh. So invasive. What? I think I have to go because I'm a bit tired. Well, this one will close this way. 1, 2. Maybe just here what we can do is remove and add this one here. Yep. Better. Slope Okay, you come back in this position. At this point you can go here as well. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 I say. Okay. Well, here we will change it later, this section. The only thing we have to add are 1 and 2 here. Closing here with... well, actually we can simply close with tiles. We have 1x8 tiles. One and 2, closed. We have a little bit of space here. If we add a plate, of course it's too much. But we can use this. Yep, it works. 1, 2 and 3. And when you open it, hide for a second everything else. When you open the hatch, wait a second, here is connected only in this position. We do have a problem that we have to fix. But when you open this way, here you have just this one that is not a big deal. I kinda like it. Actually, we can even add some slopes like this one. Perfect. 1, 2, 1, 2. Copy and mirror, copy and mirror. Perfect. Then show, hide this thing. And I just noticed we have a problem with this one. Open. Hide, 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 hide. Remove. Why you are not connected with this one? So remove. We have to remake this section in a second. Okay, show. Let's check. Here is perfect this way. Here is better with a 3x3 and 1x3. Or 1x3, 2x3. Yes. 1x3 and 2x3. Okay, now we can close it. Perfect. You are closing the door. Yes, I did it.
Quello che sentite è il ragù Barilla. Come lo
Ah,
facciamo?
commerce sound. See you later, Dart. Leave it open, they may need fresh air. I need it only for checking, but actually okay. We can leave it open. Okay. Actually we do have also the door here. So we can actually open... No! We can actually... No! Okay, we can't. Ah, yes, you are right. You are closing the door. You also told me I'm stupid. You also told me that, right, this one and this one have to be separate. You are completely right. So you have to go here. You have to go here. Come on. So you have to go here. You are okay. So here we need a 1x6. 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 Here a 1x4. And here maybe we can just add or a 2x4 this way, or just because it's a door, we can add a plate round 1 or maybe 2. Maybe 2 looks better. Okay, collision activate, so we know when it's closed. Okay, and now this one should work. Okie dokie, yes! Okie dokie, muy bien. I hope Lego hires you someday. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Cesare. I hope so, but I don't. I'm not so confident will happen. Especially because I build a lot of military things they do not like. And I think that's all for today. It's almost finished, so I hope to finish it offline, and if I can do it, in the next live we can start something new. The problem is, probably on Thursday I will not be live, so I can make another live tomorrow, but tomorrow of course this one will not be finished, so maybe we can start something new in any case and I can finish this one by myself. I don't know, we will see. For now the only thing clear is that the live is finished because I have to go. Yes, it's actually also a little bit late. And that's all. So, see you maybe tomorrow or on Thursday for the live. Not sure, but maybe tomorrow. You are basically better and cheaper than Brickmania. Thank you. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, I don't have the same money they have, so I can't do so much like they could. Thanks for having us. Actually, thanks to you for being with me during the design of the Stryker. Let's see if I can finish it for... Actually, I would like to finish it for this week video. And as I said, for now, that's all. And see you maybe tomorrow for the live streams. I'll try to make a live tomorrow. Otherwise, on Thursday, on Thursday is a bit difficult. Maybe on Friday. If I do not make the live tomorrow or Thursday, maybe we can be live on Friday. Okay, you have to stay tuned to know when I'll be live. So, but I think we will make a second live during the week, don't worry. Said that, see you next time. Bye.